My name is Boar Grylls. I haven't served in the British Special Forces, I haven't climbed the summit of Everest, and I didn't cross the frozen ocean of the Arctic. Now I'm going to Mezakla forest in Slovenia. Not many people visit this remote part of the world, but still some of them got killed by filthy beasts. If you are in trouble, I'm going to show you the basic skills you need to survive. This is the Mezakla forest, one of the most hostile environments in the world. A year ago, 2 scouts lost themselves in these woods, and one of them survived just because he ate his friend alive. Like any tourist, I have with me just my lighter and a 6-pack of beers for my camera crew that's coming with me.
Oh my god! Do you need help?
I'm stuck actually.
It's okay.
Okay, this is not a good way. I'll kill this. I immediately came across an obstacle. Okay, this is the only way down. It's a tough one, it can take hours, but I can show you a technique that spares you at least 2 hours. This. Okay, I'm down. I must push that thing out. This is perfect. This is perfect, my shelter, and I can see every animal that goes here. And when I will spot an animal, I will just kill him, and that will be my food supply. For now, I will camp here. Suddenly, I spotted the local. I tried to make contact with him, but he was so primitive and he attacked me. Fortunately, my camera crew was there to help me out of this situation. Oh, look, come closer. This can be a lifesaver. See? Yes. This is highly poisonous, but this is eatable. And it can really save your life. Oh, it tastes like, I don't know, like macaroni gone bad, you know? But it's definitely a lifesaver. And the local will approve. The local will approve. Come closer. You see? It's boar's poo, you know? And it's... Come here! Oh my god, look, the locals are hunting. Come here! The locals are hunting. Come closer! The locals are hunting, come! Come here! Close! Look at this! The locusts are hunting! You see here, the boar is dead. The boar is dead and the local killed him. And now he will take him home for the family. And this is how they survived here for 2000 years in this hostile environment. This is how they survived. They are primitive. He's expecting the body and it's highly eatable. So we'll just eat it. And it's fresh flesh. Thanks. I ate the boar and now I must find shelter. And it's going to be tough. Or maybe not. There's a roof. Come closer. It looks like the locals. It's a camp where locals were, but they're nomads. And they're changing places every 2 months. So this is probably a shelter or a camp of locals. I have my roof Now I must build shelter, because in this forest there's only 2 hours of daylight. So I must be quick, and then I must prepare fire. And look, this is ideal for me. I just put this right here. See, this is perfect, I must say. And now I put the roof here. Put the roof here. And this will protect me from everything. So I will just relax a little bit. After my rest, I went to the woods to see if there is some food. And I was really lucky. I found a whole bunch of asparagus that are not common for this area. They are full with proteins and vitamins, and now I'm going back to my shelter to make a fire and cook them. Now I have my shelter, and I must do the fire, so if it cracks, it will burn. I need to find hollow wood, a stick like this, and just rub it for about 5 minutes or so. It may take long, but we must be precise. So, okay, we just take our lighter and burn the shit. All right, like this. Yes. Okay, so there's fire. The nights in the Mezakla forest are freezing cold. The temperature can reach -66 degrees, but remember, I'm Boar Grylls, and this is nothing for me. It's the middle of the night, and I'm here in my shelter. I can hear some footsteps outside. Wait. Something is definitely out here. I'm scared. The only thing that keeps me here is the thought of my family. 2 hours have passed since I heard that footsteps in their back. So I don't know. These are some filthy big animals, you know. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, what's that? Oh my god! I was so fucking scared, I ran off to my camera crew. They told me this was just a drunk granny that came off a party in the near village.